Alright, it's just like a little editing tutorial. So, well, the first thing you're gonna do is just go into here, um, change your settings to 1080p. Oh, that's 4K. We just gotta go to HD right here. Change this to 60. Save. And, find your video that you're gonna edit. What's this one? Zombies. I'll just do this one because it's glitched. Why not? So, first off, I'm just gonna mute the audio because I don't need the audio. You're gonna look through and let's just say, you like the glitchy part, so we'll just go to the end of the glitchy part. So you can make like a bunch of split cuts. It's like, it'll look something like this, I guess. We'll have a clip of him walking through each door or some shit. You can kind of see the door there, but yeah, it's cut. There's no, I don't know how, if there's an undo button. I always have to start over, so that's kind of a pain. If anyone out there knows about an undo button on DaVinci Resolves, that'd be great, but right now, I don't think there is like an undo button, so if you fuck up, you probably have to redo it or just leave it. Honestly, I just keep moving on and figure out a way. I use different editing websites to edit some parts back in because it's good for bigger projects, but if you're doing like little things, it's a huge pain to like work with sometimes. And we'll cut all this. And right now we just got this. We'll look through. It's gonna look kind of dumb just because. We'll just keep going. And then this is kind of what your video is gonna look like. It's gonna essentially have like a few big cuts and then a bunch of little cuts, and it's really like, kind of tedious. But another thing, these are titles. I usually use this one just because, like, I don't know. Real quick, I kind of messed up and didn't show you guys how to edit the titles. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go onto here. Fuck, we don't actually have a title anywhere, so I'll just add another one because I'm editing the video right now. Let's do a dramatic one or whatever. You'll click on it. This will probably not be there. It'll be like this. You click on whatever that fuck that says. I'm not really gonna bother with it. And you type whatever you want, and it'll like, you can fast forward, get it right in the middle. I don't know. You see how it's cut off, so this is exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, so yeah, you just do that and it'll center itself, coolest looking one. It looks kind of shitty in this, like super laggy and whatnot, but after you process it, it looks really good. Same thing with this. Sometimes if you stretch these out, it tends to crash the site. I haven't messed with effects too much, neither with this, but this will be pretty easy. You just probably add this in like right here or something like that, and it'll probably do some bullshit. Yeah, I'm not big into editing like that, but I can do a bunch of random shit. I don't understand what happened there, but I don't think that worked. We're just gonna cut it. No. Oh well. Well, you can't get rid of it supposedly or some shit. I don't know. I want to do X wipe. Let's see what X wipe is. Oh, just that. Okay. Okay, so another thing that I kind of forgot here. If you have like, you can mess with all your like shit like this. I want to do this one. So you can just adjust everything. Same with like cropping and you can just, yeah. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can fast forward your video, like make it slow motion. Uh, just a bunch of stuff right here if you click on tools. This is the fast forward and shit. Oh shit. I actually never clicked on that, so. This, I think, okay, this just springs it back and forth, maybe. So I kind of fucked it there, but we're just gonna leave it because I don't really care. Yeah, that's just gonna piss. In here, you can singly, or you can go in here and link tracks, and that'll make it so you can click on one track at a time. Because no matter what, your audio will always be with it. And if you're like me, you have a few different tracks. Like, this is my microphone, and this is my desktop audio. You can, like, you know, completely delete this, mute it, turn it down a bit, turn up your voice maybe a little bit if it's a bit quieter or something. Using this volume, or just using this right here. Is, you know, track 1, 2, and 3. We'll get rid of this so there's a bit more space, I guess. Yeah. This is also a mixer. This, I don't really mess with this at all. This is like what you're gonna mainly be messing with if you're gonna be doing titles and whatnot, and video audio problems, I guess. Titles is what I mainly use. They got a bunch of different default ones like zipper, whatnot. It's just pretty simple, you know. This one's kind of like, yeah, kind of see it lags everything down. It's playing it in slow motion and whatnot. You will have to get GeForce Studios to process and fully edit some videos because it might crash a shit ton. Once you're in here, probably gonna do custom. You're gonna want to do MP4 probably. Make sure all these settings are correct. Go to files, click on this and do like 75% or 50, maybe even 25. Because if you do maximum or 100, it'll most likely keep crashing if you have a bigger project you're working on. Hopefully this was helpful. Alright, well, forgot one more thing. So, right before you do all this, your deliver, you want to click up here, updates, and you want to turn your updates off, because that's like what caused my PC to crash a lot, and it crashes my PC pretty hard if I don't turn this off. Probably have to have like a newer CPU. I think that's my problem. I think my CPU is bottlenecking my PC.